Hello, everyone. I'm Guido Zambarda. I'm a Microsoft certified senior software developer at psys.com, and these are my social handles. And feel free to contact me or follow my blog for more posts. Okay, if the slides. Okay, setting. I will start setting a little bit of context to show you my demo. So in this demo, we want to have SharePoint framework solution with an adaptive card extension that will display a line chart showing the stocks that we want, because stocks are better. So switching to the demo. This is my demo environment, and down here you can see 3 instances of my adaptive card extension with the newly added adaptive card line chart card view class. So as you can see, you can have multiple lines, meaning whatever you want. In my case, as I said, those are simple stock symbols. And there are a possible of 2 views. Here I'm using third-party APIs with a restricted daily limit, so I won't refresh much the page just to don't get throttled. But here, if I go and edit mode, just to show you, we have the property pane with the symbols that we want to load, an interval to retrieve the data from the third-party APIs, and the value to show of each symbols. There are 2 pages here. I won't cover the second page because there's the API key, and I won't show you. And one other thing that I want to display you is that if we have 3 different lines in our chart, those are reduced to the first one in the medium-sized card. So pay attention that if you have 3 different lines in the large view, you can have only one in the small view. So that said, just switch to the code. And this line chart has been introduced with the SharePoint Framework version 1.19. So be sure to have that installed to use it. And for the property pane, as I showed you, there are a little bit of configuration where we have the symbols that we want to load, the interval for the values, the type of values we want to show, and of course the API keys. In the main class, we have the loading part for the data, and to load that, I will use an interface with the basic props, so I can load the configuration from the property pane, and also we'll be using the state, and in particular the data property, which is an iData point. And I will show you later how this is configured. So proceeding, we have the fetch data method, which I will not cover in detail, but just retrieves the data from the third-party APIs. And the main important things is that we have the serious data, which will be binded with the card view property to really show the data. And that is an iData point of data. This has been introduced with the line chart card view, and we'll show data based on the x-axis and the y-axis, which in our case the x-axis will be the date of the value we want to show, and the y-axis is the effective value of the stock symbol. Then we will just parse all the data from the API and construct our array of objects to be binded in the state. And then we have finally our card view, which is a card view that extends the base component card view. And in particular, it has the iData visualization card view parameters, which has been introduced with the SharePoint framework version 1.19. And here, yeah, this is not useful now. Okay, and here we just construct our series data, which is a line chart series of the same type that we defined before. And here we just push the data from the state into our series data variable. And then we'll just simply return the line chart card view, which is the main component that will be displayed in the ACE. And here we just simply define that the data visualization kind will be line. And by now, it's the only supported type. Maybe in a future version of the SharePoint framework, there will be more types available. And then we just bind our variable to the series value of the body of the line chart card view. And that's it. This is pretty straightforward. It's pretty nice. And I think it's a great advance in the SharePoint framework possibilities. So giving just some references, you can check the release notes of the SharePoint framework 1.19. And there are also in that document a couple of videos that displays how to use better the line chart. And also, if you want, there's my source code in my GitHub repo, and feel free to contact me if you want. Thank you all. Back to you, Chris.